Juniper Networks Network Automation Webinar. Take 1.
Big bang transformations, as we all know, don't work, and when they do work, they take too long.
It used to be that onboarding a customer might take several weeks, and I think in today's world it's not acceptable any longer.
You see, 60% of the network problems are not discovered by NetOps because they do not have the right tools to understand the service quality end to end.
It comes down to a need to automate because the level of changes and the timing of these changes are really beyond the practicality of human beings.
As networks evolve, automation will be the only way to keep pace and safeguard against the errors.
The reality is we can't do Big Bang and rebuild everything in our operational environment at once. So we need to ask, where are we going to concentrate our efforts first? Where we believe the most intelligent place to begin thinking about how do you implement automation and how do you implement assurance as part of that automation is right within the IP environment itself.
So with Active Assurance, you're able to inject synthetic layer 2 to layer 7 traffic to load test your network and to ensure that you meet the desired SLAs in a way that is simulated like real end customers that are using your services.
Without having Active Assurance in the operator's tool set, we think service placement and visibility is impossible to infer.
I think some of the automated testing methods are not only beneficial, they are going to be absolutely essential.